Hi friends, my name is Usmansheikh, and in this video I am going to configure the lab of OSPF Open Shortest Path First. I have to create a topology having three routers, and these three routers are connected to each other. I have to configure the basic configuration also over all three routers. If you don't know about basic configuration, then you can see my previous video 21.5 lecture. Okay, now I'm going to check its routing table to see whether all the routes are present in it or not. Enable show IP route command to see routing table is showing C shows their directly connected routes, and all two routes are directly connected, showing here 1.0.0.0 and 2.0.0.0, 1.0.0.0 and 2.0.0.0. But the third route is not present in the routing table of router 1 because it's not directly connected to the router. Now I am going to advertise the third route, missing route, in the routing table of router with the help of OSPF single area. OSPF single area. Okay, now configuration terminal is a global configuration mode, and now router OSPF you can write any one of the number. I will write here 1 is a process ID. 1 is a process ID. Its range, you can also put the question mark to see its range. Its range 1265535. So I can put here any one of the number. I will write here 1. And keep in mind the configuration of OSPF having different process number, process ID can't communicate to each other by default, so you should keep in mind to hold on the same process ID number in all our routers. So router OSPF 1, enter. Now network, I'm going to advertise the network. The missing, I'm going to advertise a directly connected networks. So it's directly connected network. So you can see here 1.0.0.0, and I'll put here the wildcard mask as I have to discuss in my previous lecture. No, so I know the address belongs to class A, so the class A having the wildcard mask 0.255.255.255, enter. Now you will put here the area. I will put here 0 is a backbone area, and the address is having the same area, OSPF having the same area, communicate to each other, but the OSPF configuration having different areas can't communicate to each other by default. So I have to put 0 area, enter. Now going to advertise the next route, network 2.0.0.0, wildcard mask 0.255.255.255, area 0, enter. Now I have to advertise my directly connected routes. by right to save the configuration. Now on the next router, enable configuration terminal router OSPF 1. I had to put the process ID number in my previous lecture. Process ID number is same as I have to configure in my first router. .ospf1. Now advertise a directly connected routes. Its directly connected routes are 2.0.0.0 and 3.0.0.0. Network 2.0.0.0 wildcard mask 0.255.255.255 area 0. Enter. Network 3.0.0.0 and wildcard mask area 0. Enter. Now I have to advertise this directly connected routes right to save the configuration. Now next router, enable show IP route to see its directly connected routes. Configuration terminal router OSPF1 network 1.0.0.0 0.255.255.255 area 0. Now you can press up arrow to get the previous command. So the three others are the same. Enter. The urgency create exit Y to save the command. Okay, now I'm going to router 1 and say routes either the missing route is available or not. Configure also show IP route and you can see O is showing the OSPF is configured and the third advertised route is 3.0.0.0 3.0.0.0 via 1.1.1.2 is way from this way and it's 1.1.1.2 last hope address. Okay, now next router show IP route. You can see third route is advertised here. Similarly on the third router show IP route and the third route is advertised here. Okay, now you can also ping either is it available or not. I'm going to ping is third route which is advertised OSPF 3.0.0.0 having any IP address. I will ping 3.1.1.2 3.1.1.2 is pinging 100%. Okay, thanks for watching.